Now let us complete the table. So considering number 1, y is equal to negative of x squared minus 2x plus 3, we need to rewrite the given function into y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So, since y is already isolated, we just need to distribute negative outside of the given group. So you will be having negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. Therefore, our answer will be y equals negative x squared minus 2x plus 3. In this case, if the quadratic term is negative, we no longer need to multiply all the terms by negative since it is a quadratic function. Now let's rewrite the given equation into the vertex form. Since it is already grouped, we could now complete the square. Y is equal to negative of x squared minus 2x plus blank plus 3 minus blank. Okay, now let's divide negative 2 by 2. You will get negative 1. Square it, you will write on our first blank, which is 1. Multiply 1 to the coefficient of the group, which is negative 1, times 1. The answer will be negative 1 and write on the second blank. Continuing, y is equal to negative of x, writing it as a square of a binomial, x minus 2, x minus 1 squared plus 3 minus 1 plus 1. Therefore, our vertex form will be y equals negative of x minus 1 squared plus 4. Now let's have number 2. Considering 2x squared plus 8x is equal to 4 minus y. Since we have to isolate y, we need to transpose positive 4. So 2x squared plus 8x minus 4 is equal to negative y. In this case, y should always be the one that is positive. So we need to multiply all the terms by y, and writing it on the other side of the equation, writing it first on the other side of the equation. So you will get y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 8x plus 4. And that is our y, the form for y equals x squared plus bx plus c of the equation. Y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 8x plus 4. Continue. Now let's write the given equation into its vertex form. So y is equal to negative 2x squared minus 8x plus 4. Let us isolate and regroup the first two terms, the quadratic and the linear term. Y is equal to, after we regroup, we factor out the coefficient of the quadratic term, which is negative 2. So negative 2 and divided to our binomial, it will become x squared plus 4x plus 4. In this case, we need to complete the square to make it a perfect square trinomial. We will now add up a blank inside the group and subtract another blank outside the group. So you will be completing the square. So 4 divided by 2, that is equal to 2. square it, you will get 4. Write on the first blank, the blank inside the parentheses. And then, multiply 4 to the coefficient of our group. So you will be having negative 2 times 4. You will be having negative 8. And write it on the second blank. So simplifying, y is equal to negative 2 times x squared plus 4x. And x squared plus 4x plus 4 will now become a square of a binomial, which is x plus 2 squared plus 4 plus 8. So y is equal to negative 2 times the square of x plus 2 plus 12. Therefore, our vertex form will be y is equal to negative 2 times the quantity x plus 2 squared plus 12. Now let's have number 3. Okay, now let's work on number 3. So we need to rewrite it in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So we will transpose y on the other side of the equation as well as 5. So we have y equals to negative of 2x squared minus 8x minus 5. Moving further, you will be having negative y equals negative 2x squared plus 8x minus 5, and that is your answer for y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Y equals negative 2x squared plus 8x minus 5. Now let's have the vertex form of the given equation. Referring to using the second step of our solution, we need to factor out 2 in the group. So you will be having negative 2. So divide 2 in the binomial, so it will be x squared minus 4x minus 5. Now let us complete the square. So we will be making a perfect square trinomial in our group. So you will be having y is equal to negative 2 times the quantity x squared minus 4x plus blank minus 5 minus blank. So divide the linear term by 2. So you will have negative 2. Square it, you will get 4. So place it on the first blank. So multiply 4 in the coefficient of the group. So you will be having negative 2 times 4. You will have negative 8. And then place it on the second blank. So the answer will be negative 8. So simplifying, you will arrive with y equals negative 2 times the quantity x minus 2 squared minus 5 plus 8. So our answer will be y equals negative 2 times the quantity x minus 2 squared plus 3. So y is equal to negative 2 times the quantity x minus 2 squared plus 3. I hope you got a perfect score in our practice exercises. See you again on our next video. Like, share, and comment your suggestions on the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe. To get notified with our latest videos, just click the notification bell.